everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Serifakera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 34, Game Facts. In this chapter, we are not going to do any exercises, only the thing is we are going to read the given things or the given topic over here and just gain knowledge about some sports. So let's begin with it. It says, read and learn these game facts. These are the facts we should know about certain games. So the first one is, table tennis was originally known as ping pong and its ball weighs less than 14 grams. So table tennis, this is the image of the equipments used in this game. The game table tennis, it was earlier known as ping pong. Next we have this symbol. What is this symbol of? Let's see whether you know or not. This is the Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is Citius, Altius, Fortius, which means faster, higher and stronger. This is the symbol for Olympic Games. Next we have the Grand Slam consists of 4 tournaments in the tennis. Grand Slam is related to which game? Lawn tennis, and it says that it has 4 tournaments in the tennis world. And these 4 tournaments are Australian Open, US Open, French Open and Wimbledon. The fourth game, Pachisi, is an ancient game. What it is looking like? It is just like Ludo and it is still played in India. It is actually Ludo and you can see the dice and the various playing guilds with it. The boards are usually made of embroidered cloth and there are 4 counters for each player. So these are what? These are the counters. Cowrie shells are used as dice. Okay, and Ludo is quite like Pachisi. So there is a difference between Ludo and Pachisi. Next we have the 5th game, and in the game of snooker they are saying there are 22 cue balls. They are talking about these balls, 22 cue balls, and 15 of those are red in color, 6 are of the other colors and 1 is the white in color. So these are the facts about various games. Let's now move on to the quick fact. The quick fact says here that an electronic game involves interaction with an user interface or input devices, such as you can use input devices like joystick, controller, keyboard or motion sensing device to generate the visual feedback. Then a question for you here children, your answer please. Do you play outdoor games or indoor games, and which is your favorite electronic game? Write the answers for the 2 questions over here. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you must have understood it. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.